In a People House by Dr. Seuss. Come inside, Mr. Bird, said the mouse. I'll show you what there is in a people house. A people house has things like chairs, things like roller skates and stairs, banana, bathtub, bottles, brooms. That's what you'll find in people's rooms. Scissor, needle, buttons, thread, cup and saucer, pillow and bed. These are donuts. Here's a door. Come along, I'll show you more. Here's a ceiling, here's a floor. Piano, peanuts, popcorn, pails, pencil, paper, hammer, and nails. Salt and pepper, goldfish key, table, telephone, and TV. Come on, there's more to see. You'll see a kitchen sink in a people house, a shoe and a sock and a clock, said the mouse. Bread and butter, window and wall, toothbrush, hairbrush, and a big blue ball. Baked beans, bureau drawers, and books. Lights and lamps and hats and hooks. Mirror, marbles, shirt, and string. Knife, fork, spoon, and bells to ring. Dolls and dishes, teapot and trash. Look out below, I'm going to crash. And another thing, it's time you knew, a people house has people too. And now, Mr. Bird, you know, said the mouse. You know what there is in a people house.